Yo, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. It's been a while since I posted, and I thought I'd start a new series on Graal PlayerWorld scripting. So I figured I'd just start making a couple of videos because there's not a whole lot, on them. So for today's video, we're just gonna get right into it, and assuming you have access to some sort of server to script on, whether that's, let's just say like one of the dev servers or one that you make yourself. Let's just start off by creating a weapon. So when in Graal, you have a weapon which is attached to a player, so they'll have access to whatever is on them. So let's just create something called player/bomb. So let's make a script that places a bomb. So one of the first things you're gonna need to understand with GS2 is client side and server side. Client side, so whatever's below this, exactly like this, I know it's commented out, but it just works. Whatever below is happening on the client itself, and whatever above is happening on the server. So there's a lot of things you're going to want to do on the server for security reasons. So when you're dealing with like health, maybe custom movements and stuff, but money, all that kind of things that needs to be secure. But when you're just doing some basic processing, client side should be pretty good. So let's make a bomb script that this player is going to have in their inventory here. So first off, we need to give it to ourselves. So let's just do it the lazy way. So you're going to want to do something called find player, which is a function. And then this right here is where you're going to put your account ID. So I have a community name, which is Chadmaster, so I'll do that. And then you're going to want to add the weapon. And then so we're going to be referring to this .name, which is, this refers to whatever object it is, which is the player bomb. And then .name is one of the attributes, so it'll just be the name, so it's itself. So it should just add it to me right away. Something I also wanted to do was, let's just use the F key, which is a key code 70, which I already know. So let's make that a constant key_F, and let's set that to 70. So I just made a variable that's constant, so this will never change because it'll always be 70. So now, in order to actually get this to work, you need to create a function. So let's just use the Graal control on key down. So function, and then Graal control dot on key down, and then let's open this up. And then as a parameter, let's pass the key code, since that's what we're actually going to be using. So now whenever a button is down, we're going to get that key code. So now we can do something with that. So let's say we want to take this this constant we have, which is pressing F. So they have that equipped, they press F. What are we going to want to do? Something we need to do is, well, let's test it out. Let's do player.chat. Let's reference the player object. In programming, this is how it works, and then we're going to use a period, and then we're going to take the attribute chat, which is in just the client itself. So you'll have to learn, the other ones, like their positioning and stuff. So let's just say dropping a bomb. Okay, let's save that, and let's hope that it added it to myself. Okay, so it didn't. So I need to use my community name, or my ID. So let's do this. There we go. So now player. Okay. Well, I already have a script, but anytime you press a key code, it's going to do that. So let's do this actually. So if, and let's create some brackets here. Let's take our chat, paste it in here. So now what should our if statement be? It should be if the key code equal to key code F. Save that, and actually let me open the weapons. Let me remove this one right here. I already have another script doing that. Okay, so now we have the bomb, right? So we press F. Oh, we're dropping a bomb. So we know that's working. So now let's drop a bomb. So in Graal and PlayerWorlds itself, there's already a predefined function, which is put bomb. And then inside of here, let's place 0, and then the player.x, and the player.y. So now we're basically dropping a bomb, wherever the player X and the player Y is. So that should place it right on ourselves. So let's press F, dropping a bomb, and now we have a bomb. So really easy. You know, the biggest thing in GS2 is learning, you know, the built-in functions and all the parameters and the things it takes in, and also understanding what should be on client side and what should be on server side. So there's a lot of other things you can do. So right now it's just placing it in the top left corner because that's X and Y is 0. So we can change that. We can look at the player's direction. So we can even just say, instead of dropping a bomb, let's concatenate with an @ or a space like this. Let's concatenate the player dot direction. Okay, so now see how I'm facing 2, then I'm facing 3 and 1 and 0. Okay, so now you can control which, you know, if they're facing this way, place the bomb in front of them. So we can do that quick, but you know, I think that you should try and do that. Try and create some more if statements based on the direction. So if the direction is right, which is 3, create an if statement just like that. I'll give you a little hint. So if player dot direction is equal to 3, then you're gonna want to, let's do this. Let's take the bomb. Oh wait, you probably want to embed this inside of them pressing F. So if the direction is 3, then we want to put bomb 0 player dot X player dot Y. So now if they're facing 3, there we go, I just had a little error in there. So now if they're facing 3, place a bomb. If they're facing 2, 1, or 0, it does not place a bomb. So now what I want you guys to do, for you to learn, is let's say they do face this direction. Which should the X and Y be? Should you increase the X here by, let's just say 10? For this direction? See how it's placing in front, but it should probably be smaller than that. Now look at this. Let's just do, I don't know, maybe 3. So now if they're facing this direction, it places it 3. And then maybe we subtract a little bit of Y. It's 3, that might be too much. Oh, we need to add. Maybe 2. Okay, we want to do 1. There we go, perfect. So now, this direction no bomb, this direction no bomb, this direction no bomb, and when we press this direction, we place a bomb. So now, how about you guys, you know, since you're learning, how about you guys finish this script? I'll let you copy it here, and then what I want you guys to do is finish the directions. Make sure that they can place a bomb in every direction, so it's not just on the player. You should be able to do this by, I'll give you a hint, all you want to do is change some of the directions here because you're just adding on to it so it's, you know, updated. But I think that's it for this video. If you guys want more videos on GS2, there's not a whole lot of them, so I will be willing to go as deep as I can and cover everything. I'll put the wiki docs in the description if you're new and, you know, you want to look through them. Other than that, I could probably make more videos. Just comment and let me know. So this is just the first one, and I think it's pretty solid. We can talk about other things like flags and server flags and NPCs. Like right now, we just created a weapon script. Here's a class and here's an NPC. So just let me know in the comments if you guys want to learn more. I can try and cover as much as I know. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.